In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play chess by yourself on chess.com. Whether you're aiming to practice your moves, develop strategies, or simply enjoy a solo game, chess.com offers an easy and accessible platform to do just that. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to navigate to chess.com. Open your web browser and type in the URL chess.com. This takes you to the homepage of chess.com, where you can enjoy various chess activities from playing online games to learning new tactics. Next, locate the login button, which you'll find in the left middle corner of the page. Clicking on this button will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you're new to chess.com, you will have to create an account, but for returning users, simply type in your username and password in the designated fields. In case you're not in the mood to type out your details, chess.com also gives you the convenience of logging in using your Google, Apple, or Facebook account if you initially signed up using one of those platforms. If you've chosen to log in with Google, just click on the Gmail account associated with your chess.com account. This method offers a seamless experience, especially if you prefer the speed and security of logging in with pre-linked accounts. Once successfully logged in, look for the Learn section in the left side menu of any chess.com page. Hovering over this option will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll need to select Analysis. The analysis tool is incredibly handy for solo play, as it allows you to explore different scenarios and improve your gameplay skills without the pressure of competing against another player in real time. After selecting analysis, you're all set to start playing against yourself. The board is now yours to command. You can play all sides, make strategic moves, and even undo any plays if you're testing a particular strategy. It's a fantastic way to simulate a real game experience while having the freedom to explore various tactics at your own pace. Chess.com's interface is designed to be intuitive, but in case you encounter any issues, there are plenty of resources and tutorials available on their platform to assist you. Practicing solo is a proven method to enhance your game comprehensively. You not only get to test new opening strategies, but also improve your middle game and end game play. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enjoy a round of chess solo on chess.com. It's a perfect setup to practice whenever the mood strikes, no matter where you are. Make sure to explore other features chess.com offers, like puzzles and lessons to further hone your skills. Until next time, happy gaming!